Thank you for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. We are an industrial gearbox repair shop and repair facility as well. Every order that is received in, what we do is take a step-by-step video tutorial here for our customers and for potential new customers. This is the reason why we ask you to please subscribe to our channel and share and also like. As you will see in this video, this is a Dover gearbox for one of our clients in the Texas region. This gearbox had severe oil leaking, bearing failure, and shaft seal area damage. All gearing was repaired, reground, hand dressed rather, to help eliminate some of the backlash and to have a smoother rotation. As you see, this was sandblasted inside and outside. We then apply a rust protection, special paint or special coating. The reason being for this is the environment that these gearboxes exist in is very harsh, extreme weather, and lots of chemicals in the air. This here was a bearing wearing area that we repaired. We hand dressed, repolished, make sure there was no burrs, any marks, any dings or dents. This area here was welded, reground and remachined, and also retapped or rebored, I should say. And as you will go on in this video for the next 5 or 6 minutes, you will see a step-by-step process. Toward the end of the video, you should see the reassemble and the painting. Please advise all our repairs are warranted for 24 months from the date of installation. Which means if we do any repairs and this equipment sits in your shop or your storage warehouse, the warranty starts when you actually put it in production, not while it sits on a shelf like Falk or Lufkin or Link-Belt would do. We also provide free nationwide pickup and delivery as well as free quotes. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our video channel, share and like if possible. And please contact us at 909-374-6845 for any emergency rush repair work. Thank you again.